How to fix battle.net could not login problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. To do so, go to settings, go to connections, and if you do not have a stable connection, simply turn on flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off again. Turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to a stable connection. Next step is to make sure whether you have the latest version of battle.net or not. To do so, go to Play Store and search for battle.net. If there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap the update button and get the latest version of battle.net. Next step is go to settings, go to apps, then find battle.net application. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.